Good morning, students. So let us discuss the next trigonometric identity. Okay. So let us discuss the next trigonometric identity, students. So the next identity is second identity, students. So we will take it as a proof like the last one. Okay. So prove that x square a minus 10 square a is equal to 1. Okay. Let us see, students. Let us consider a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at V. Okay, so to prove x square a minus 10 square a is equal to 1. Okay, so let us see the proof. Okay, so let us take LHS. So sec A, students, what ratio will you write for sec A? Cos means cos A will be cos of any angle. Cos theta is b by h, isn't it? Cos theta is b by h. Just from the three lines that I always say, curly black hair. So for cos I will write base by hypotenuse. So if for cos I write base by hypotenuse, then sec will be hypotenuse by base, because sec is the reciprocal of cos, isn't it? So for sec we will write hypotenuse by base. So hypotenuse is AC and the base is hypotenuse by base. Base is AB. And tan P by Q, perpendicular by base. What is the perpendicular? BC, and the base is AB. So AC square by AB square minus BC square by AB square. Okay. Now AB square and AB square will take LCM. Will become AC square minus BC square. Okay. So AB square will write AC square minus BC square. AC square minus BC square, students. You see, AC square minus BC square will become AB square. Theorem triangle ABC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, isn't it? By Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So BC square if I bring it to the left side, then AC square minus BC square is equal to AB square, isn't it? BC square, bring BC square to the left side, and you will have AC square minus BC square. AC square minus BC square is how much? AB square. So in place of AC square minus BC square, you just write AB square, isn't it? BC square if you bring it to the left side, then will become AC square minus BC square. So AC square minus BC square. See here, BC square I am bringing to the left hand side. So AC square minus BC square will become AB square. So here you write AB square. square is cancelled, so that is equal to 1. That is equal to RHS. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Isn't it? So that is good. Isn't it? So sec square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. This formula is, no, this identity is proved. Is it okay? So third identity, students. Third one, prove that cos x square a minus cot square a is equal to 1. Okay, so let us prove this, students. Let us consider a right angle triangle, triangle ABC, right angle at B, cos x square a minus cos square a is equal to 1. LHS cos x square a minus cos square a. Cos x, sin is p by h, isn't it? Sin is p by h. So cos x will be, for sin theta we write p by h. Some people have curly black hair, tongues permanently brown, isn't it? So for sin, some people have p by h, perpendicular by hypotenuse. So if sin is p by h, then cos x will be what? H by p. Understood? Because cos x is the reciprocal of sin. So h by p, hypotenuse by perpendicular. Hypotenuse is AC and the perpendicular is BC. And cot, tan means p by p. Tan means p by p. So cot will be b by p. AB by BC. Okay. This will be AC square by BC square minus AB square by BC square. This will be BC square and AC square minus AB square. So AC square minus AB square. AC square minus AB square, students. AC square minus AB square will become BC square. BC square, isn't it? By Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay. Okay, so students, you see all of you. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, isn't it? Now AC square minus AB square. AC square minus AB square will be what? BC square, isn't it? So by Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC we have AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is what I got here. So now if you bring AB square to the left side, if if we bring AB square to the left hand side, then what will be BC square? So AC square minus AB square is our BC square. So in case of BC square minus AB square, I got BC square. So BC square and BC square is cancelled. That is equal to 1. That is equal to RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore cos x square A minus cot square A is equal to students 1. Is it okay? So let us start exercise 8.4 then. Let us start exercise 8.4. Express the trigonometric ratios sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. That means sin A you have to convert to cot A, sec A you have to convert to cot A, and tan A you have to convert to cot A. Okay. So number 1. So now friends, now how to understand? For understanding this thing, see. So you must know which trigonometric ratio is related to which one. Okay, from sin A if you want to convert from sin A to cot A, is sin and cot directly related? These ratios we have, this will be used. Okay, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1, and cos x square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. These are the relations we will be using. Okay. Now, sin and cot are not directly related, isn't it? Sin is related to cos, but cos x is related to cot, isn't it? Understand this thing. Sin and cot are not directly related, but sin is related to cot because cos x, sin and cot are not directly related. We are asked to convert from sin to cot, isn't it? But sin and cot are not directly related. But sin is related to cosec. Sin is related to cosec, and cosec in turn is related to cot. Understood my point? What I mean to say is that first we have to convert from sin to cosec, and from the cosec we will go to cot. Okay? So let us see students. So sin A is equal to 1 by cosec A. And in case of cosec A, what can I write? Root over 1 plus cos square. Okay? So, and sec A to cot A, isn't it? Sec A to cot A we need to go. So sec A is not directly related to sec A, students. Sec A is not directly related to cot A, isn't it? Sec A is not directly related to cot A, but sec A is related to tan A, and tan A is related to cot A. Understood? So first we will convert from sec to tan, and then from tan to cot. Let us see. Sec A is equal to root over 1 plus tan square A. Sec A is equal to root over 1 plus tan square A. Now 1 by cos square A. Converted. Okay. Now tan A, also tan A to cot A. Tan A to cot A is very easy. Tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. Isn't it? Directly related. So let us see students. First we have to convert from sin to cot. As I said, sin and cot, the trigonometric ratios sin and cot are not directly related. So what we need to think is that with which trigonometric ratio sin is directly related, and with that if cot has any relation or not. So I mean to say that sin is directly related with what? Cosec. Because cosec is the reciprocal of sin, isn't it? So we will first convert from sin to cosec, and then cosec is related to cot. So from cosec to cot we will convert. Okay. So sin A means 1 by cosec A, isn't it? Sin A means 1 by cosec A. In case of cosec A, so now you see cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1, isn't it? Now cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A, isn't it? Now cosec A is equal to root over here minus cos square I am taking the right side will become plus. So both sides if I do square root on both sides, then this square will go, this side this square will go, square is not there, and this side the square will come, root over 1 plus cos square. Okay, so in place of cos a just write root over 1 plus cos square. Now from sec to cot we want to convert. So let us convert from sec to tan first. Let us convert from sec to tan. So how to convert? Let us see, students. Let us see. So sec square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. So sec square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. So sec a is equal to root over 1 plus tan square a, isn't it? So in sec a is equal to root over 1 plus tan square a. You don't need to solve these things, you can write directly. Just for your understanding I'm giving, okay? So sec a is equal to root over 1 plus tan square a. Now tan a means what? From tan to cot, very easy to convert, isn't it? Because tan a means 1 by cot a. So tan square a means 1 by cot square a. So 1 and cot square a LCM will be cot square a. 1 will go how many in cot square a times. So cot square a plus 1. So above root will say and below square root of cot square a will become what? Cot a. And tan into cot a directly, tan a is equal to 1 by cot a. Is it okay? So number 4, let us see, students. Number 4, number 1, MCQs these are, okay. 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a is equal to how much? You need to find, okay. So 9 is take common, sec square a minus tan square a. So 9 into 1 is equal to 9 because sec square a minus tan square a. You see 9 tan square a minus 9 tan square a. From here and from here I will take 9 common. From here if I take 9 common I will get sec square a. From here if I take 9 common I will get tan square a. Sec square a minus tan square a. What is the value of sec square a minus tan square a? Sec square a minus tan square a means what? 1. So 9 into 1 is what? 9. So see number 4 which is the correct option then? B. Number 4, number 1 answer is B. Isn't it? 9 is the answer, isn't it? Number 4, number 2. Let us see. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta. 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Okay. So 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. So when you are solving such trigonometric identities, what you need to do is that most of the times it is very useful if you convert all the terms into sin and cos. Okay, so let us convert. You see, so 1 plus tan means what? Sin theta by cos theta, and sec means 1 by cos, isn't it? So 1 plus cot means cos theta by sin theta minus cosec means 1 by sin theta, isn't it? So here students cos theta LCM, so I will get cos theta plus sin theta plus 1, and here sin theta, so I will get sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. So sin theta plus cos theta plus 1 and below cos theta, and here sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 below sin theta. Okay, so see sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1 square below cos theta into sin theta. So here friends, so here what we will do is that a plus b whole square, so this will be a square plus b square, that means sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1. 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by sin theta cos theta. Plus 1 and minus 1 is cancelled. So 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. Sin cancel and cos cancel is equal to 2. So the answer is 2. Option C. Answer option C. Isn't it? See here. So 1 plus tan theta, 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cos theta. So the correct answer is what? Option C. Option C is 2, isn't it? So now see. In case of tan theta means what? Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Sec theta means 1 by cos theta. Cot theta means cos by sin. And cosec means 1 by sin. Isn't it? So now taking LCM. Below this 1 is there. Below this 1 also 1 is there. 1 cos theta and cos theta is cos theta. So 1 will go over and cos theta cancel. Cos theta into 1 plus sin theta plus 1. And here 1 sin theta and sin theta LCM will be 1 sin theta and sin theta. 1 and sin theta, what is the LCM? Sin theta. So 1 will go how many times sin theta? Sin theta if you divide by 1, how many times will go? Sin theta is. So sin theta into 1 sin theta, and sin if you divide by sin 1 times, so 1 into cos theta, like this here also minus 1. Now sin theta plus cos theta will be in 1 bracket plus 1 and below cos theta. Sin theta plus cos theta in bracket minus 1. Okay. Now you see why am I arranging like that? See a plus b into a minus b. You can know. See a plus b into a minus b. And below cos theta and sin theta you multiply cos theta and sin theta. And a plus b into a minus b will become a square minus b square, isn't it? So sin theta plus cos theta whole square. A plus b whole square formula just break it. A square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the formula, no? A plus b whole square will come like this. A square plus b square plus 2ab. You can write, no? So a square plus b square plus sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay? This is theta. Theta is there this way. Okay? Theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta, students. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, what is the value? 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1, and below sin theta into cos theta is there. So plus 1 and minus 1 is cancelled. 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta, sin cancel, cos cancel, what will remain? 2. So the answer is C. Is it okay?